Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Edge 40 Neo and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one, and we could see that we just successfully created the new home screen folder. Just to give a name to the folder, tap to the name and enter the apps, for example. To move folder on the screen or between the screens, hold it and just drag it. To remove the application from the folder, hold the app and drag it to the home screen by this way. If you want to remove the application from the folder, not to home screen, just to remove it from the folder and from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. And also, if you want, you could remove all of the applications with the folder together just by hold the folder and drag it to remove. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.